A quick little tool making video. A little bit of PVC pipe and a paintbrush handle with a screw thread on it. Hacksaw this off from the paintbrush roller, you know, above the threads on the inside. You got a T. This is 1 1¼ inch pipe here and here. 1/2 inch on the outside. You know, 2 caps. You know, cut everything down, glue it together. A little bit of JB weld to hold these 2 different types of plastic together. And you can see the threads on the inside. Yeah, there you go. This is going to go on to the end. Of my extension pole. Nope. So this goes up to 12. This is a 12-foot extension pole. And it's got threads on the end. The threads on like that. And this is what I use to put up a you know, to move tarps when they're on top of a load. So, you know, the salt edges, nice big edge there. It doesn't slip as much, and it's not going to tear into the fabric of the tarp. Simple little tool. You know, small hacksaw. Your typical PVC primer and glue. Pipe. A couple of pre-made, you know, a T, 2 end caps, a little bit of pipe, a paint roller handle, a hacksaw, some sandpaper, and a knife just to whittle down these little points here. You can get ones that are more round, but this one requires the least amount of work, so they just, you know, whittle down these points that are right here. Just enough so it's slipped in. A little bit of JB weld epoxy, injected in there to hold it. Makes it a lot easier to do. And you know, when you got to get your tarp off the edge of a load that's sharp, this will be a lot easier, a lot smoother, lots less damaging to the tarp.